Hemway Convenient Water Softener W360 Installation and Use Guide. Prepare random accessories according to the accessory list. Prepare a water tank or towel with a floating ball. Step 1. Install the water inlet pipe. Choose a suitable installation location. Locking device caster brake. Open the device back cover. Remove the rubber cover of the water outlet pipe. Connect one end to the host's water outlet. The other end is connected to the water tower inlet port. Tighten and reinforcement. Remove the rubber cover of the water inlet pipe. Connect one end to the main engine water inlet. Connect the other end to the water source pipeline valve. Tighten and reinforcement. Step 2. Install the sewage pipe. Connect one end of the black sewage pipe to the main engine drain outlet. The other end is connected to the main sewage pipeline. Step 3. Add specialized salt. Open the top cover of the device. Slowly add 5 kilograms of specialized salt for water softeners to the salt tank. Close the top cover. Step 4. Connect the power supply. Remove the power adapter from the accessory package, connecting the host power interface. Turn on the power and start the device to run. Hemway, professional manufacturer of energy-saving boilers and ironing equipment.